Hey gang, welcome to another Tomboy Beauty. I'm your host, Amy Harber. Find me on social media. Oh, can't find me on Twitter anymore because Twitter stupidly suspended my account. So we're working on that. We'll fix it. Anyway, welcome to the October Sephora Play. I actually don't think this is the official one. I think they had to send me a replacement because it never showed up. I think that's what happened with this one. So, yeah. But they're cool. Awesome customer service. So, let's get into the joy of complexion and all the fun products. So, hey, joy of complexion. A drop of this, a drop of that. We're whipping up a recipe for the coverage you crave. So it basically tells you how to wash your face and be awesome. Step 1, cleanser. Or if you're me, drop the page. Step 2, moisturizer. Step 3, primer. Step 4, foundation. It says serves 1 already radiant face. Prep time. It said serve with a side of bronzer and blush for a complete and balanced look. Oh, mist your beauty sponge with a setting spray, then apply extra foundation for extra staying power. And we have the 20% off coupon that I didn't use for foundation or tinted moisturizer or BB cream because I didn't need any. But anyway, products, because that's what you came for. Woo! Cute little bag. I love these for travel. They're so great. Or put snacks in or whatever. Anyway, we got the Tarte Quench Hydrating Primer. It's a pretty awesome primer. I've used it before. Then we have Shiseido Wazo Clear Mega Hydrating Moisturizer, which it looks like it's a very lightweight moisturizer. Oh, it is. It's almost like a jelly. Nice. Okay, Origins. Oh, I love their eye cream. I have the ginseng right now. This is Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience. It's soothing treatment lotion. So it's a light calming lotion with a mushroom infused formula. It smells kind of earthy, obviously, because it's got a mushroom. Josie Maran Argan Oil. It's great for your face. It's great for your hair. I'll be using it kind of like a serum on my face. Then we have Cover FX Setting Spray. Keep the melting in the kitchen. I love setting spray, mostly in the summer, but also year-round. And finally, we got a little bonus, a little Living Proof Nourishing Styling Cream. So it eliminates frizz. Has a citrus smell. I don't know why I'm waving it in front of my nose, but that is the Sephora. Hey, I would tell you to follow me, but you can now only follow me those 2 places because Twitter suspended my account. But that's a whole nother video and YouTube all together, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it will be back soon in some way, shape, or form, as long as I don't get caught by Twitter or they take my appeal. Till then, stay beautiful.